Hi, I'm meteorologist Elyse Smith. Well, that cold front that moved through earlier today was quite something, wasn't it? We had wind gusts top 60 miles per hour at the Niagara Falls Airport and the Buffalo Airport. 64 was the highest gust I've seen reported today, 61 at the Buffalo Airport. Downtown Buffalo had a 53-mile-per-hour gust right along the lakefront. The strongest gusts today with that cold front were a little farther north across the Niagara frontier, but Genesee County, Batavia had that 50-mile-per-hour gust, and farther south across the southern tier, Wellsville as well, 49 to 43-mile-per-hour gust in Dunkirk was recorded earlier today. Thankfully, these peak gusts, at least the strength of them, it didn't last long. It really was a one and done kind of system, but what's left are some colder temperatures, and we'll get to that in a second. But for the wind, we've got another windy weather system on the way heading into the weekend. Not the best news. I know so many of us were done with the wind, but we got to prepare for it because Friday, this next weather system will begin to move in and things change pretty quickly. Could even see a couple of light rain and snow showers Friday morning with temperatures starting in the mid to upper 20s. Then Friday afternoon, we get a big boost. Highs will reach the lower 50s. We add rain, but that big boost in temperatures is because of that gusty southwesterly breeze that will follow. And that stays with us Friday night into Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. Another very windy stretch heading into the weekend where, just like last weekend, Saturday was windy and rainy. Sunday was calm and cooler. That's what we have on tap for this weekend as well. In the meantime, though, here's a live look from our Highmark sky cam over Buffalo. It's cleared out earlier this evening. Some of our sky cams were covered in a little bit of snow or rain, but we've cleared out, cooled down, calmed down slightly. We still have winds out of the west northwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So with temperatures now below freezing, we do have a wind chill, and that's really what's left behind this cold front. We're done with the rain, the wind, the snow, but we have the cold and the wind chill. It's a wind chill value of 17 right now in Buffalo, 17 in Niagara Falls, feels like 21 in Dunkirk, and 15 in Olean right now. And that's going to stay for tomorrow morning as well. So it's a bundle up kind of morning for Thursday morning. There's that front. It's moving pretty quickly, almost off to the east coast already. Behind it, we are starting to see some clearing, but we do have a couple of streamers and flurries that have developed off of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. You see some light snow moving through Orleans counties and into Monroe County and Rochester, and then a couple of light snow showers across the southern tier. A future look has, though, mainly that dryness, the clearing, and that's the theme heading into tomorrow. We'll still keep a couple of clouds developing off of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario because it will be colder in the morning, and then water temperatures are a bit more warmer. We get those cumulus clouds. Into the afternoon, we will see a few clouds here and there, but I think it's a primarily sunny day, definitely in comparison to what we had today and yesterday as well. And then moving into Thursday night and Friday, here comes that next system. The leading edge of it, this is the warm front lifting through. With precipitation hitting some of the colder temperatures below freezing, we could potentially see some snow or some rain or a mix of both. Not worried about icing or sleet or anything like that, and that's short-lived. The main event is rain, and it arrives Friday afternoon right around lunchtime. Some pockets of heavy rainfall, and once this first wave of rain clears, winds pick up Friday evening, and we keep that chance for some hit or miss showers throughout the day Friday and into Saturday as well. But of the two, though Friday will be a bit breezy, especially to the second half of the day, Saturday looks to be the windier day with rain. So your 7-day zone forecast for Niagara and Orleans counties and Buffalo, again, very similar, big systems moving in. We are in an active spring pattern, and that's not going to change. So for Saturday, we have wind and rain. Then Sunday, we cool down. Next system moves in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, keeps the forecast a bit unsettled into next week. Now, south towns and southern tiers, similar forecasts with that. Just one change into next week. One little differential here is that next Tuesday, next system's moving in.